The first solution is to turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone. Turn off Bluetooth, then you have to turn off Wi-Fi as well. Then you need to turn off Bluetooth on the device with which you want to connect your iPhone. Okay, and then you need to reboot your iPhone. The process of rebooting iPhone 7 and 7 Plus is slightly different. On other iPhone and iPad models, you have to hold on the home button and on/off button at once for about 10 seconds. On iPhone 7, you have to first press the sleep wake button, and then you have to hold on the volume down button to reboot it. Next, you have to turn on Bluetooth first on your iPhone. Turn it on. And then you have to turn on Bluetooth on the device.
Power on. Pairing.
Okay. Tap on the device once it has been detected. Okay, this is it. The device has been connected. The second solution is to forget your device. This is the one trick that has worked quite a lot of times to me, so let's try it. Tap on Bluetooth, then you have to tap on the I button, tap on forget this device, then you have to confirm it by tapping on forget device. This is it, and then you have to try to connect your iPhone with the device again. If the first two solutions haven't worked in fixing this issue, then you need to reset network settings. It can get the job done. Launch Settings app, then you have to tap on General, scroll down and tap on Reset, then tap on Reset Network Settings. You have to tap on Reset Network Settings again to confirm. Once your device has been rebooted, you have to try to connect your iPhone with the device again. Just in case you are finding it hard to connect your iPhone with the device, then you need to reset all settings. I agree that resetting all settings can be a bit painful, but it has worked for a number of users, and it can definitely click for you as well. So launch settings, then tap on General, scroll down, tap on Reset all settings. You may have to enter the passcode, and then tap on Reset all settings again to confirm. Once your device has been rebooted, try to connect your iPhone with the device again. If none of the solutions have solved the problem, you need to restore your iPhone using iTunes. Simply connect your iPhone to your computer, fire up iTunes, select your device, and then hit the restore button. I hope these tricks help you resolve the Bluetooth connectivity issue on your iPhone running iOS 10.